broccoli, tomato, onion pasta with some milk and water and some chicken consomme and some onion salt in it. We'll see how it turns out. All right, our third meal here. We've had black beans and rice, this, and spaghetti with broccoli. For lunch today, I'm trying to make some cinnamon apple homemade oatmeal. And there it is, some delicious homemade oatmeal. So ChatGPT has become my best friend for how to cook with very limited ingredients. Tonight we're having a potato, rice, tomato boil with some cream of mushroom, soup powder, and chicken bouillon and some spices. And we're making garlic bread in a pan here. A creamy potato, rice, tomato soup. Tonight we're having a lentil stew or soup with carrots, onions, and potatoes and garlic. Cinnamon toast in a pan for breakfast. Tonight I'm making a creamy ranch pasta with green beans. Green bean, onion, macaroni ranch. Scrambled eggs with a little cheese and tomato today. I made a chicken noodle rice, potato, carrot, tomato soup. Here we go. I find a way to feed us, and he finds a way to make sweets. Making some chocolate Rice Krispie treats. Making a snack of some cornmeal pancakes. Tonight I made a cream of mushroom pasta with broccoli and garlic bread. I made a vegetable rice stir fry with some tomato sauce. For a snack, we have some black bean paste with cheese and some homemade chicken gallo. Added in some tomatoes. I'm going to fry up a couple eggs. Tonight I'm trying to make a pasta with some carrots, tomatoes, onions, green peppers, ranch dressing, and tomato paste. Let's see how it turns out. There's the finished product.